So we've got this beautiful titanium smoked 23 Challenger done, and this one was a very nice, what we would call a simple 6-speaker build with some of our awesome products that we make in-house as well. Let's go over this build. So as per usual, all of our equipment is up here. This is a single amp setup, so we have our amp and our DSP with our fairing shroud. Everything is in the fairing. Our fuse holder is down there by the battery. We have our upgraded ground. Everything is done nice and neat, zip tied up, way more zip ties than probably needed. In the front stage, we went with our Cicada compression horn speakers in the fairing and in the lowers, because he is probably like the second or third customer with our 6.5-inch lower pods on here. We absolutely love these. Helps take it from that 5 1/4 to a 6.5. And then here we went with the OEM lids, and we pre-modified those so that way we could drop our coax speaker in there, because those are as waterproof as you're going to get. They hold up really well and they sound really good. So let's flip you around, show you the bike, and then we're going to play it because it's cold here and the customer's ready to go riding before it gets dark again. All the equipment is in the fairing. Then we have our compression horn 6.5s in the fairing and in the lower fairing. And the more and more we use these, the more and more I like them. That nice gloss black finish on there, and that grill really sets it off. And then we've got our lids. These are pre-done, pre-modified. All the wiring goes down nice and neat in the channel through there. Quick disconnect on the side cover. And just so y'all don't think we were stuffing equipment in here, nothing in here but a helmet and the lid covers. So let's play something and then let him get on the road. Wonder this time where she's going.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it.
And this. So the customer is here to pick up his bike. What was your thought of the process dealing with us, and then actually how the system sounds so far?
Everything went super smooth. Bike's way above expectations. That was awesome.
He had the power bands, so he's going to get rid of it. He's going to sell his power bands and then rock this and go enjoy it. So we're going to let him get out of here because it is super cold, sir, as always. So if y'all are looking for the best aftermarket audio system for your Indian, make sure you check us out at Davidson Audio, located in beautiful Panama City, Florida, which we're not in. We're in the Carolinas, and it is super cold. So we're going to let him get on the road. Until next time.